Here's the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a system that's moving through the northern and central plain states, and that's going to be bringing us another threat of some showers and thunderstorms across the state. Widespread severe weather doesn't look too likely at this point, but we can't rule out a thunderstorm possibly getting strong to possibly severe across the area. Highs today will be in the 70s to lower and middle 80s across the state, with some sunshine before any storms do fire, and we could see some early morning convection as well. And then as we move into Wednesday, the system is finally going to start moving off to the east, and we're actually going to see some sunshine, especially in our western counties. At least morning showers and storms in our eastern counties, slowly clearing by later in the day, with temperatures dropping into the 70s to near 80, and then back into the 70s as we get some cooler air and some drier air as well. It's not going to feel as humid as it has the last couple of days, especially this past weekend. And then some active weather is going to be coming toward the end of the week, with maybe a popcorn shower or storm, especially with a lot of instability and a lot of cool air aloft. Could get some afternoon showers and storms. And then we have a system coming through, especially on Saturday, that could bring us a little bit enhanced risk of some showers and storms at that time. Too early to determine if we're going to have any severe weather at this point. Sunday, the chances will do lower. They're not zero, but there will be less of a risk of a shower or storm. There'll be a little more sunshine around. Still readings in the 70s to around 80 across the state at this point. As we go into next week, that system slowly moves off to our east. A few clouds in our northeastern counties with that system, but otherwise mostly sunny skies, with readings starting to be in the 70s to around 80, or maybe even the lower 80s as warm air tries to come in from the south and west. It'll be very warm across the desert southwest, possibly century marks quite often in quite a bit of the south and west, with cool readings across the Great Lakes with that slow-moving system. And we're kind of in the battleground, and it looks like we could be in the battleground all the way through next week, especially toward the middle to end of next week, as warmer temperatures possibly into the 80s across the state and dew points back above 60 or 65. That means it's going to be hot and humid again, which is typical. It's summer in Iowa at this point, meteorological summer. So as we look toward next Thursday, about 10 days out, we have a system coming through the Intermountain West, system across just to our north. Some showers and storms could be around. It's the timing, strength, still a little bit up in the air, but we'll keep watching it over the next couple of days to see if anything changes. Satellite image from last evening. There's that storm system we mentioned that's going to be coming through today and into tonight and early on Wednesday. The remnants of Bonnie across the Carolina coast slowly moving off to the north and east. And you can see high pressure is coming in, and that's what's going to produce a lot of heat. We could see temperatures way up above the century mark in the south and west. A little bit of severe weather at this point across Texas. Elsewhere across the country, it was fairly quiet at this point. But when you look at the QPF chart over the next 5 days, it doesn't look very quiet. Quite a bit of precipitation across Texas, maybe 3 to 4 plus inches. Around here, maybe about an inch or so, and this includes rain that fell last night, and some possible flooding is possible as well.